Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to download and install Cisco Webex in Windows. So let's get started. So first thing, just Google Webex download. You'll be getting the official link from webex.com. So just click that, and here you can see Webex by Cisco, and it will be automatically detecting your OS and giving you the download option. Just click that, and the download has started. It's so fast, you can just open it, and the Webex installer will install it on your system. So you'll be getting the agreement over here. Just click on agree, and that's it. You'll be getting the Cisco Webex interface. You can just sign in with your existing account, or if you don't have an account, you can just create an account. And if you have a meeting, just click on join a meeting. You can just enter the number or the link. So that's the video, guys. I hope you would have found it useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. There are a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.